gear, no experience. Start your social media career with Writecream AI. Hey everyone! So before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon button so that you never miss a growth hack for your content journey. And trust me, today's video could be your first step towards your social media career. Even if you are starting from zero, want to become a content creator or grow on social media, but don't have the right equipment, don't know how to post, no clue how algorithms or hashtag work, don't worry. Writecream AI has your back. Writecream AI is your one-stop tool to kickstart your career in social media. Whether you are a beginner or already posting your content and want to scale it. Writecream comes loaded with AI tools that generate viral captions in seconds, write SEO-optimized content or blogs, suggest trending hashtags, create faceless video script, humanize AI content so it sounds natural. It's literally like having a content team in your pocket. Already creating contents, Writecream helps you to go next viral. Check the description below for the direct link to try all these tools for free. And comment, I am starting today if you are ready to start your new journey.